India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, the AAIB, has now issued a very strong appeal amid rising speculation around the Air India 171 crash. Now, in a detailed statement, the Bureau has clarified that the investigation is still ongoing and it is far too early to arrive at any definitive conclusions. Their statement says that the initial report is only meant to outline what happened and not why. And the final report will come out with root causes and recommendations as well. Viewers, remember, the AAIB has also urged the public and media to refrain from spreading selective or unverified narratives, especially while the probe remains incomplete. This comes after a preliminary report was released by AAIB that had raised a lot of questions about what exactly went down with that flight. Now, the statement coming in from AAIB now has also called for greater sensitivity towards the families of victims and warned against creating public panic or distrust in India's aviation systems based on speculation. Remember, the flight from Ahmedabad to London crashed shortly after takeoff, and about 260 people lost their lives in that tragic incident. Now, the Bureau says that it will publish updates as needed, and it has also asked all the stakeholders to await till a final investigation report is out on the issue. They have urged to avoid any unverified claims or to spread any narratives.